For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using low-quality tools that can't keep up with your demanding projects? Do you struggle to achieve precise cuts and smooth finishes on your woodworking tasks? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Grizzly G0759. It's not just a machine, it's an investment in your skills. Therefore, I'm about to break down its features, pros, and cons to help you decide if this beast is worth the investment. This compact 10-inch bandsaw may look small, but it packs a punch. With a powerful motor that can handle up to 3 HP, you'll be able to make precise cuts on even the toughest materials. But what really sets it apart is its unique design, which allows for easy setup and adjustments, no more wrestling with complex machinery. Let's dive deeper into the Grizzly G0759's features. First off, it comes equipped with a robust steel frame that provides stability and durability. The 10-inch bandsaw blade is perfect for making smooth cuts in wood, metal, or plastic. Therefore, you can use this machine for a wide range of projects, from furniture making to custom sign creation. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some key specs. Motor, 3 HP. Blade size 10 inches. Max cutting capacity, 4 to 1 2 inches thick x 6 to 1 2 inches wide. Table size, 14 inches x 8 inches. There's one thing that I've been wanting to highlight before we dive into more details. The Grizzly G0759 has a relatively low price point, especially considering its features and performance. Therefore, it's an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Some users have reported that the machine can be quite loud during operation, but most find this to be minor compared to the benefits. Other users have also mentioned that the Grizzly G0759 doesn't come with a dust collection system, which can be a bit of a hassle. But here's what I found surprising. Despite these potential drawbacks, the Grizzly G0759 has an overwhelmingly positive user review on Amazon, with many praising its ease of use and versatility. Therefore, if you're willing to invest in this machine, you'll likely get plenty of bang for your buck. Let's look at some real-world examples of projects that users have completed using the Grizzly G0759. Creating custom furniture pieces, making intricate wooden boxes, cutting metal pipes with precision. These examples show just how versatile this machine can be. Therefore, don't let its relatively small size fool you, it packs a punch. Now I know what you're thinking. Is the Grizzly G0759 worth the investment? Well, that ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. However, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance bandsaw with plenty of features, this might just be the machine for you. Therefore, before making any final decisions, I want to leave you with one last thought. What's more important, having the best tools for the job or being willing to learn and adapt? The answer is clear. Investing in quality equipment like the Grizzly G0759 will only help take your skills to the next level. For the best price, click the link in the description.